In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Tasks repeat. This is a handy feature if you have tasks that occur regularly and you want them to automatically show up in your task list without having to recreate them every time. First, let's start by opening Google Calendar. Once you are in Google Calendar, navigate to the section dedicated to tasks. You'll find it on the right-hand side toolbar, conveniently labeled for easy access. Once you're on the tasks page, it's time to set up the details for your specific task. Go ahead and enter a name for your task, and if necessary, add any notes or details that help provide context. Don't forget to set a date and time if your task requires one. Next, after setting the task details, you'll want to click on the week view in your calendar. This step is crucial as it provides a better overall picture of your schedule and helps in planning when and how often your task should repeat. Once you've clicked on week, move on to the option to make the task repeat. You'll find this option in the task settings or editing panel where you can select how often you want your task to recur, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or even every weekday. This flexibility lets you tailor the repetition to fit your exact needs. After you've adjusted the repeat settings, hit done to save your task. This ensures that your task is set to repeat according to your chosen frequency. Now, return to Google Calendar and head back to the task section to review your task list. This allows you to double check if everything looks correct and your task is set to repeat accordingly. Once you're back in the tasks view, look for the lists section. Click on lists to organize or manage different sets of tasks. This feature is especially useful if you have many tasks and need to keep them well organized. After you click on lists, select my tasks from the options. Here you will be able to see all tasks associated with your own account, including the repetitive task you've just set up. Within the My Tasks view, you may notice options represented by icons. Look for the icon that consists of 3 vertical dots or a similar toggle. Click on this to access additional settings. You'll want to ensure all settings such as task visibility and priority indicators align with your personal preferences. Finally, if there's an unwanted list or if a task list needs to be cleared out, look for the Delete List option. Use this cautiously as it will remove the list entirely from your Tasks tab. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set a task to repeat in Google Tasks. This process can dramatically streamline your workflow and ensure you never forget a recurring responsibility. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.